Turkey neck refers to the loose, sagging skin that often develops under the chin and around the neck as people age. Several factors contribute to the development of turkey neck. For those who are new here, I am Adria, yoga instructor and certified nutrition and health coach. Welcome back to my channel. As we age, our skin loses elasticity due to a decrease in collagen and elastin production. This loss of elasticity can cause the skin to become looser and more prone to sagging. The muscles in the neck, especially the platysma muscle, this weakening contributes to the appearance of sagging skin and can make the neck muscles less able to support skin effectively. So genetics play a huge role in how your skin ages, how prone we are in developing the sagging skin, including in the neck area. Chronic sun exposure can accelerate skin aging, including the breakdown of collagen and elastin, which contributes to the sagging skin. Rapid weight loss can sometimes lead to excess skin, including in the neck area, as the skin may not shrink back completely after fat loss. Poor posture over time can contribute to the neck muscles becoming weaker and potentially exacerbating the appearance of sagging skin. Smoking has been linked to premature aging of the skin, including the development of wrinkles and lines. It reduces the blood flow to the skin, decrease in collagen production, and damages skin elasticity. Frequently bending the neck forward, looking down to the screen or books, can contribute to the formation of lines on the neck. These are often referred to the TECK neck lines. Poor nutrition, dehydration, and lack of skincare can also contribute to the development of neckline. Collagen is a protein that provides structure and elasticity to the skin. Poor nutrition, particularly a diet lacking protein, vitamins like vitamin C, and minerals like zinc and copper, can impair collagen production. Without adequate collagen, the skin loses its ability to bounce back and becomes more prone to developing wrinkles and lines, including the neck area. Dehydration. It directly affects the skin hydration levels. When the body is dehydrated, the skin loses moisture and elasticity, making it more susceptible to developing the fine lines and wrinkles. The skin on the neck is thinner and less able to retain moisture compared to other areas, so dehydration can be particularly noticeable in this region. So poor nutrition and dehydration can lead to skin that is more sensitive and prone to inflammation. Inflammation contributes to accelerate skin's aging and exacerbate the appearance of the lines and wrinkles. Proper nutrition provides essential nutrients that support skin repair and regeneration. Without these nutrients, the skin's ability to repair damage caused by environmental factors like sun exposure is compromised. This can lead to premature aging signs, including necklines. A lack of essential nutrients can weaken the skin's protective barrier. To mitigate these effects of poor nutrition and dehydration on necklines, it's essential to maintain balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean protein, and healthy fats. And drinking an adequate amount of water daily, approximately 8 glasses or more depending on the individual needs, helps maintain skin hydration. Additionally, using moisturizers and skincare products that contain hydrating ingredients like hyaluronic acid can help improve skin moisture levels, can reduce the appearance of necklines over time. When you have poor postures, such as constantly looking down at the screen or slouching forward, it can cause repeated folding or creasing of the skin on the neck. So that makes more effective in developing wrinkles. Over time, these creases can become more pronounced and develop into permanent lines and wrinkles. Poor posture often involves straining the muscles in the neck and upper back. This tension can lead to muscle stiffness and tightness, which can contribute to the appearance of necklines by pulling the skin, causing the fold and sag. Poor posture can restrict the blood flow to the neck area, and reduced circulation means less oxygen and nutrients reach the skin cells, impairing the ability to repair and regeneration. This can contribute to premature aging signs, including the formation of lines and wrinkles with the widespread use of digital devices. Many people experience TECK neck, a condition where prolonged periods of looking down at the screen can strain the neck and lead to the development of horizontal lines on the neck. Poor posture can also affect spinal alignment, which in turn affects the alignment of the muscles and tissues in the neck. Misalignment can contribute to uneven tension and stress on the skin, potentially accelerating the formation of necklines. To mitigate the effects of poor posture on necklines, it's important to maintain maintain a good posture habit. Ensure that your workspace, including computer screens and chairs, is ergonomically designed to support proper posture. Be mindful of your posture throughout the day. Avoid prolonged periods of slouching, hunching forward, stretching, and strengthening. Incorporate exercises and stretches that strengthen the neck and upper back muscles to support proper posture and reduce strain. Take breaks from the screen and activities that require prolonged neck flexion. Stretch and move around periodically to relieve tension. Use supportive pillows while sleeping to maintain a proper spinal alignment. By addressing these poor posture habits and promoting neck muscle strength and flexibility, you can help reduce the developing of necklines and wrinkles over time. And it's important to practice good skincare habits such as moisturizing the neck area, using sunscreen daily, maintaining a healthy diet rich in antioxidants and vitamins, staying hydrated, avoiding smoking, and being mindful of the posture and repetitive movements that strain the neck. There are ways to minimize its appearance or prevent from worsening. These include maintaining a healthy weight, avoiding excessive sun exposure, practicing good posture, and using skincare products that promote skin elasticity. The most effective non-invasive method is face building. When you perform facial exercises, your muscles reach a normal tone, meaning that those which were weak, like the ones in your cheeks, become firmer and more elastic. Those which were overstrained, such as the area between the eyebrows, in particular the muscles, relax. Firstly, because the muscles are actively and vigorously working, they stimulate collagen production, enhance the nourishment of our tissues and skin, making the skin look radiant and firm. Massage can help reduce the appearance of turkey neck as well. So regular massage improves blood flow to the area, which can enhance skin tone and promote healthier skin. Gentle massage can encourage lymphatic drainage, reducing puffiness and swelling that can contribute to the appearance of sagging skin. Massage can stimulate and tone the underlying muscles, helping to provide a firmer base for the skin. Some massage techniques can stimulate collagen production, which helps maintain skin elasticity and firmness. Massage can help relieve muscle tension in the neck and shoulders as well, which can indirectly improve posture and the appearance of the neck area. Techniques for massaging the neck: light sweeping strokes with the fingertips from the base of the neck to the jawline, gentle kneading and lifting of the skin and underlying tissues. Tapping with fingertips can stimulate the skin and muscles. Using circular motions with your fingers to gently massage the neck area. Use a good quality moisturizer or oil to avoid pulling the skin, and perform the massage regularly, ideally daily or several times a week. Be gentle to avoid irritation or damage to the skin. Combine massage with other treatments like exercises, skincare routine for more effective results. So that was it. I hope you loved the information provided in this video and it was quite helpful. Hit thumbs up and subscribe the channel for more contents like this. See you soon.